बहुत सारे लोग बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं सोशल मीडिया पे, इट्स ट्रेंडिंग, एंड हाउ द सॉन्ग इज जाने मन आहा। तो उसके लिए आहा कह देते हैं यहाँ पे द वन एंड ओनली परिणीति चोपड़ा एंड वरुण धवन को। तालियां, कम ऑन, मेक सम नॉइज गाइस। थैंक यू सर। There they come. Welcome, Varun. Welcome, Pariniti. First of all, क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? इतना सारा एक्साइटमेंट है यहाँ पे सबके अंदर. And before we play the song, your thoughts.
मैं बस बहुत ट्रैफिक थी यहाँ पे आते वक्त, तो मैं बस परिणीति को फोन करके ही बोला था कि जाने मन आ।
मैं भी आ रही थी अपने जाने मन के पास, बट मुझे 40 मिनट लग गए. आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर द डिले. आई अपोलोजाइज. But we'll make it up. We'll show you a good song and we'll make it up.
I think ये बहुत स्पेशल सॉन्ग है मेरे लिए और परिणीति के लिए. फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर पेयरिंग टुगेदर एंड इट्स प्रॉब्ली द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट सॉन्ग फ्रॉम डिशुम. ये जुनैद के लव ट्रैक को कंप्लीट करता है. व्हेन यू वॉच द फिल्म आपको उसके बारे में ज़्यादा पता चलेगा. बट जस्ट वांट टू टेल परिणीति थैंक यू फॉर डूइंग दिस for us and
stop being
embarrass her on this
VD.
stage.
No. I'm very excited because I've never done anything like this before. Just to be a heroine, it was fun, and so you're technically my first hero.
अर्जुन कपूर खुश नहीं हो गए सुन के, पर
and Ranveer Singh.
I hope you're hearing. No, but thank you for doing this, and I think we won't talk much. You all should see the song, and we are also watching it with you all actually for the first time. And I just want to tell you कि ये प्योर डांसिंग है जो पहले होता था. आजकल के टाइम इतना वो हमारा इंडियन टाइप का डांसिंग नहीं होता है. सो बहुत हिप हॉप करते हैं. आई हैव बीन डूइंग सो मच हिप हॉप. दिस फुल हिंदी फिल्म डांसिंग आफ्टर अ व्हाइल. तो वी होप दैट सब लोग नाचेंगे गाने देख के. तो लेट्स प्ले द सॉन्ग.
Cool. Let's have the song, ladies and gentlemen, and then we have a dhamaka for you, a surprise for you after this. Once we are done with watching the song. Varun, just one question and to both of you.
Yeah, they're coming. The thing, नहीं मैं पहले बोलना चाहती हूँ, जब भी मैं कोई वरुण के साथ इवेंट करती हूँ या कुछ भी करती हूँ, कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो रुको गाइस. No. Stupid.
हिट है गाना. ये लगा ना कि ईद अभी खत्म हुआ है तो होना चाहिए ना कुछ धमाल अभी. नो बट थैंक यू. आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट गोज टू परिणीति क्योंकि इस गाने के लिए हमें जेन्युइनली सिर्फ 2 दिन मिले थे रिहर्सल के लिए. एंड देयर इज अ वन टेक इन दिस सॉन्ग जो परिणीति एक्चुअली लाइव करना चाहती थी फॉर सम रीजन, और मैंने बोला कि नहीं उसमें गलती हो जाएगी, हम लोग एक्सपोज हो जाएंगे. पूरा that full thing is a one take that we did, and we got literally I think a day. Actually we learned it in a day.
Yeah, we learned it in a day. In fact, हमने बहुत एंथू कटलेट्स की तरह रिहर्सल की वीडियोस निकाली हैं जो हम रिलीज करेंगे. वो मेरे फोन में है तो मैं उसको रिलीज करूंगी आप लोगों को प्रूव करने के लिए कि हम लोग कर सकते हैं, हम एक्सपोज नहीं होते. बट genuinely I don't think I've ever had so much fun shooting something. मैंने अपनी बॉडी पे बहुत काम किया. आज मेरे पास एब्स हैं वरुण की वजह से. So I'm very happy. Obviously आप सब जानते हैं, I've been working on myself for a really long time, and I wanted to show it on the right platform. So when VD spoke to me about this song, it was the perfect platform. And I wanted to work with him, and I'm so glad everything just came together, and it was a great song, and we had so much fun. And he was giving me fitness tips and what to eat the night before, and what to eat during the shoot, and what to eat before a take. So now I've also learned how to give a body shot like all these boys, and thankfully it's showing.
It's totally showing. I think we'll leave it to you all to ask some questions. We are obviously very happy right now. 2 साल में हो
Wow,
जाएंगे
सबसे
तेरे
intelligent
बच्चे मेरे
question.
बच्चे
Okay, fine.
नहीं क्योंकि पहले शादी होगी 1 साल हनीमून करेंगे फिर
Plan
कुछ
set,
हो
it's
जाएगा।
very technical.
टेक्निकल है हाँ
Okay,
फैमिली प्लानिंग
Hi Varun, this
क्या-
is Urvi here from Pinkvilla.
हाय उर्वी व्हाट्स अप हाउस इट गोइंग
Good.
Arya, brother.
Yeah.
Hi.
The song is stunning and you guys look absolutely amazing. Was there a conscious thing to recreate something kind of a Govinda Karishma kind of a chemistry?
I think I'm going to let Pariniti answer this.
Yeah. We'll be very honest. Yes, that was really like that's what we wanted to do. He's very energetic. I have a lot of energy, not as much as him, of course. But I think for him and I to do something in this space seemed to be the best idea. And also, Dishum already has a couple of songs which are, so different in their vibe. So, the third song had to be different and had to be, us, I think. I think we both were a perfect fit for this world. And of course, Ahmed sir, wanted the performance and, the expressions which, of course, we used to see in the 90s. So, yeah, we tried. I don't know if we're going to be killed for it, but we tried our best.
It's got a little bit of that 90s का वो theme है वो धक 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 that beat is like that and I think Pariniti me I think lot of you all we've all grown up on it हम लोग सब ने सुना है तो वो पसंद बहुत आता है वो मतलब मेरे तो खून में है तो I think वो सुनते ही मैं अपने आप हिलने लगता हूँ हमेशा
या इसको सेट पे कंट्रोल करना पड़ता था क्योंकि मिस्टर वरुण धवन को इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस बहुत पसंद है एंड मैं सोचती थी कि मैं स्पॉन्टेनियस एक्टर हूँ
what was the improvisation on set tell them
you should tell them
you tell them what happened to you
you just were like dying to
oh was that there's एक छोटी improvisation है इसमें क्योंकि
छोटी नहीं है छोटी इसके हिसाब से
kiss is a peck I mean it's not a kiss so
yeah no 1 second I will tell you this story please understand you are not
गाना
going to
में
say
इन्हें
anything.
बोला है कि 2 साल में हो गए तेरे बच्चे मेरे बच्चे में
नो मैं सच बताना चाहती हूँ सबको कि हम लोग 2 दिन हमने रिहर्सल की हमें लगा फुल ऑन डांस नंबर है बहुत मेहनत करनी चाहिए अब हम सेट पर हैं मैं वैसे ही बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ क्योंकि मेरे बॉडी शॉट्स चल रहे हैं मैंने बहुत कम खाना खाया हुआ था मैंने पानी नहीं पिया हुआ था एंड सडनली यहाँ से आवाज आती है कि हम लोग किस करें क्या व्हाट नहीं कहाँ से क्यों एंड रोहित वाज नॉट ऑन सेट रोहित जैसे ही सेट से निकला वीडी को ये ब्रेन वेव आया कि मैं आज परिणीति को किस करूं तो पहले 1-2 टेक्स हमने ट्राई किया कि हम लोग थोड़ा फेक करते हैं हम लोग ऑफ कैमरा चले जाएंगे ऐसा कुछ हमने ये मेरे
परिणीति ने बोला कि यू कांट डू ऑल दिस इन टुडेस डे एंड एज इफ यू वांट टू किस देन किस मी फुल ऑन अभी मैं क्या
आई वाज डाइंग टू किस
भोला लड़का अभी ऐसे कोई बोलेगा तो
नहीं तो मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ कि सब लोग इंक्लूडिंग जो हमारे कोरियोग्राफर थे वो शॉक्ड थे पहले टेक के बाद क्योंकि उनको पता ही नहीं था हम लोग ये करने वाले सो वी हैड लाइक दिस फुल स्टेप एंड एक 1 शॉट चल रहा था ब्यूटीफुल रोमांटिक मोमेंट एंड एट द एंड देयर वाज सडनली अ किस सो आई थिंक इवन द डांसर्स अहमद सर एवरीबॉडी वाज इन शॉक कि ये क्या हुआ एंड आई हैड टू मेक इट वेरी क्लियर दैट इट वाज हिज आइडिया एंड नॉट माय आइडिया Vidi, what is the reason that you wanted to kiss me? Please tell everybody.
Said in my ear that Varun, this song is, it's a baby making song.
Yeah, एक तो कल ट्विटर से मुझे पता चला कि there's so much kissing in this song. Suddenly, I'm biting your ear.
But you've done all this, Pariniti.
I was dying to.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Sorry, you all can. Sorry, आप पूछ रहे थे सर.
किसका मतलब इतना क्रिएटिव आइडिया भी हो गया और आपका काम भी हो गया वरुण क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में
काम भी हो गया मतलब.
What would you say about this, Just joking. I hope you take it on a lighter note.
No, I'm taking it. See, there was a
What
beat.
will you take? I have taken it.
Of course you have to.
There was that dhadadan. तो मेरे को लगा वो पहले dhadadan पे ऐसा होगा dhadadan and then dhadadan. ऐसा.
नहीं हमने.
नहीं हुआ.
करेंगे बाद में.
No करेंगे. So आप ये सोचो कि मैं भोली बच्ची मैंने कहा ढडन ये पोज होगा इनमें बट ढडन में क्या कुछ हो गया है मतलब मैं क्या कहूँ अभी बट आई थिंक इट वाज रियली कूल आई आल्सो अग्रीड विद द आइडिया सो
Creative idea.
It takes two,
Sorry,
yeah, it takes
Sorry,
two.
ma'am.
Hi Varun, hi Pariniti.
Hi.
I'm Astha from Movified. First of all, both of you are looking absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
My
Thank you.
question is for you, Pariniti. Now, so many girls are looking up to you, and there are so many women out there who are conscious of themselves and they are unable to express of themselves because they are, worried about how they're going to look. So, what's your message to the women who want to, do something but they are conscious of their, physical image?
Actually, I've been asked this question so much in the last 1.5 years because, and not only like people like you, but like people, women who are pregnant or they are dealing with post-pregnancy weight or teenagers who are dealing with obesity. All around the world, people, they come up to me and, tell me to tell them my story, and I always tell them this, that I literally am a fat to fit story. I literally am in the most cliched sense, and I've really struggled with my weight all my life. All these guys, they call themselves chubby. I was never chubby. I was really, really big, and I was obese and unhealthy. And I really took it upon myself, and I'm so glad that, some kind of pressure of Bollywood was there for me to really bring myself onto the right path. The amount of stamina, the amount of energy that I have today, I sleep so well, I eat so well. I mean, the fact that I could do this song for 2 days with hardly any food in me, it was because I was really fit. And it's so important for people like this to understand that they just need to be their fittest self. It doesn't matter what size they are. I was big, but I was unfit. I didn't care about my body shape as much as what it was making me feel. So they really need to achieve their fittest self at whatever size they are. Like you see these hip-hop dancers in New York. They're so big, but they're so, flexible and agile, and they're so fit. So they just need to go and they just need to look at my pictures, I guess. Just put them on the wall and just be like, if she can do it, we can do it. I did that. I did that.
We did this event, fitness event with the female journalists and the media was there. And I mean, I look at y'all and I honestly mean this, because y'all are always in the photographers, the cameramen, even the journalists. Sometimes y'all are always hunching and bending in very wrong positions. Y'all should not, the body is not supposed to be like that for long hours. And a lot of y'all have been in this business for a lot of years. And I say this with a lot of love and concern because I've seen my father. So I've seen a lot of y'all with my father's time, कि बहुत लोग मेरे dad को follow करते थे, question पूछते थे. It's not very healthy, I think, the way we conducted. I wish that when we plan events, that we can have more safety and more better barricading for the media, so that there's a section. Because like today also, I think a cameraman गिर गया था ना? He fell down. So I mean, I feel bad because it's dangerous. I just feel now moving ahead as someone who is a young actor, I want to get this in my events that we can get more safety for you guys at least, because it's unfair, I think, otherwise.
Yeah, people actually just think that we starve ourselves and we become thin, but literally all of us, like me, VD, or even, Sid, Ranveer, everybody, the boys and the girls now, Alia, Shraddha, like we take care of fitness more than that. And when you take care of your fitness, your body is going to show results. Like I got a lot of this that, oh, you just stopped eating and of course anybody is going to become thin out of starvation, but it took me 1.5 years to reach here.
I think you all should follow RJ Alok because he's the smartest in events. आप भी गिरे?
Wow.
This is me in your event, gym event.
क्योंकि मैं हमेशा he is always और मैं जब भी कुछ भीड़ भाड़ होता है he is always walking. आराम से चलो, हाँ आराम से बच्चे के साथ आराम से इधर आ जाओ. He won't fell down. Sorry. Any more
Hi,
questions?
this is Sohail from Glad
What's up,
Champ.
how's
it? Hi, sir.
The song seems very superb. In fact, like congratulations to both of y'all.
Thank you so much.
जानेमन की बात कर रहे हैं, तो it is like to both of y'all कि अगर आप अपने जानेमन में क्या qualities देखना चाहोगे?
जानेमन में मैं क्या qualities देखूंगा? I think परिणीति बहुत ऐसे qualities possess करती है. बहुत अच्छी बच्ची है. रात को जल्दी सो जाती है. सुबह जल्दी उठती है. बहुत ज़्यादा fit है. नहीं ये सब सच है. बहुत ज़्यादा फिट है, बहुत ज़्यादा काम करती है और मुझे खाना भी खिलाती है.
हाँ नहीं, इन
नहीं?
2 दिनों
मेरा
में
खाना
नहीं
खाती है.
खिलाया. इन 2 दिनों में तो मैंने.
मेरा खाना खाती है, मेरा शहद खाती, मेरा हनी खाती है.
You came and ate all my dry fruits.
So we share food. I think right now मैं परिणीति चोपड़ा का नाम दूंगा.
Oh,
And Pari, what about you?
Actually, quite similar. I just need very real, simple, uncomplicated people, which VD is.
Like
VD is
RJ Alok.
currently my Janeman. Alok is the second candidate. So yeah, no, just real, simple, uncomplicated, honest people. That's my scene.
And was this song originally in the film or it was added later on? What
This
was
song was always supposed to be in the film. This song was always a part of the film. There was always a character which I don't want to reveal now, but obviously she's doing a cameo in the film, and there's a character and why she's there is there, which I don't want to reveal right now. So it was always written in the script. We obviously had not approached Pariniti. We didn't know she'll do it or no. And Rohit always wanted Pariniti, but we were worried she might not do it. And I think one day I met her at some, at Film Fair at a party, and I just told her that this is happening, like, and she said, so ask me. So I said, you'll never do it. Why should I ask you? She's saying, how do you know until you don't ask me? So I mean, I asked her then, and
He asked me and I said yes.
yes, it was a proposal.
It was a proposal.
हाय हाय वरुण, जब से प्रमोशन चल रहा है आलोक आपके
हाँ, अरे सर,
जब से प्रमोशन चल रहा है आपके फैंस आपको टास्क देते हैं, आप वो टास्क जरूर
हाँ जी,
करने की
हाँ
कोशिश
जी,
करते हैं। पिछले दिनों आपने जॉन को उठाया, फिर वो जैकलीन की स्टाइल में आपने
हाँ।
एंट्री भी की। आपके फैन ने बोला है कि गोविंदा की तरह अगर आप कोई स्टेप इस पर्टिकुलर गाने पे अगर करके दिखाएं, कल के दिन एक ट्वीट भी था, मैंने उसको देखा।
अच्छा चिची भैया की तरह कुछ करना है तो मैं एक्सप्रेशन कर लेता हूँ आपके लिए उनका, जो एक बहुत मतलब वो गानों में ऐसा करते थे, अगर आप करते हो।
Yeah. But ये आपको इसको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, ये करता रहता है, इसको थोड़ा काम डाउन करना पड़ता है।
I'm a big fan of Govinda sir, and I think ये जो जिस तरीके का गाना है, जिस तरह का टोन है, it reminds people of that era a little bit, which is good because this is what we wanted। ये जो जुनैद है वो थोड़े बहुत लोगों का फैन है, जैसे हनी सिंह का फैन है, गोविंदा का फैन है, मिक्का सिंह का भी फैन है, तो वो पिक्चर में भी है, वो आपको पता चलेगा।
परिणीति, एक और गीत है इस फिल्म का, कुछ भी किया तो डिशुम, ये किया तो डिशुम, कोई पर्टिकुलर ऐसी बात है या चीज है जिसको आप डिशुम कहना चाहें अपनी तरफ से?
झूठ बोले तो ढिशुम, मेरे को मतलब
आपसे किसने झूठ बोला है?
अब
हमारे
क्या बताऊं
संवाददाता जानना
तुम्हें? अब क्या बताऊं? या झूठ for me, lying is the
Who lies the most, boys or girls, or who's?
No, I'm not a sexist like this.
Okay,
There's
okay.
just, but yeah, in my life, I feel boys only are managing to lie quite a bit.
Ooh, okay, not me.
This is the end
Anyway.
of my
Any
love
other
story
questions, guys?
information.
Hi, Pariniti.
बालिका वधू।
ये गाना देखा है यहाँ पे?
हाँ जी।
So were you happy with each other's chemistry?
I think we are seeming very happy. I think
We are very excited.
We should
We
wait.
should calm down.
We should
Maybe.
wait. It's the song is going to go live at 2 o'clock. What's the time right now? 2 बज गए।
1:52, 8 minutes to go, bro.
8 minutes to go, and it's going to go live on YouTube then, and I think then we'll get a little idea. And we have Vinod sir here from T Series. So I think because he's here, I think I remembered Aman is here who sung the song. So can I just invite him on stage?
Woo! Come
He's
on.
the voice of the song. It's a very difficult song to sing, हाँ, क्योंकि बहुत highs और lows है इस गाने में. And I've been trying to do this quite often, that get the singers of the songs over there and make them sing to show people at least, or show the journalists that how difficult it is. So he's liked Pariniti a lot in the song. He's not talking to me. No, but
We have
Aman, if you
found a
can-
family connection.
Well,
just
are
now.
related?
Yeah.
how?
Oh, really?
How are you all related, Aman?
Oh, Vidi, you've been
No,
removed from the
actually,
equation.
hello everyone. First of all, you're looking fantastic, both of you, and गाने को अलग लेवल पे लेके गए। और मधु जी जो कि प्रियंका मैम की मॉम है, और सिद्धार्थ उनके भाई, तो we are all very good family friends. So we were talking about your weight loss and your
Oh.
gorgeousness.
That's all people say. There's nothing else now left. Pariniti.
Forgotten you're an actor.
Huh?
They just feel you've lost weight now.
Yeah, they just feel you've lost weight and that's all there is to you.
No, there's
But
lots more.
yeah, but your
Aman, you can just, if you can sing a couple of lines for
Sure,
I think the
sure.
media, so they realize how difficult the highs and lows are. of
Sure,
the song.
sure. I want to share a very interesting story जो मुझे brief दिया गया था।
Please, please, sir.
प्रीतम दा का। उन्होंने कहा था, अमन ये गाना जो है जाने मन आह, बहुत एम्फेसिस है उस पार्ट पे, और वो एकदम परफेक्ट आना चाहिए। अगर वो नहीं आया तो गाने की जो पूरी सोल है वो बिगड़ जाएगी। बोले एकदम शक्ति कपूर को याद कर लो। जाने मन आह, गले लग जा, जाने मन आह। तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा कर रहा था, मैंने कहा नहीं इतना नहीं यार, फिर शक्ति जी को लाना पड़ेगा गाने में। So that was
ये
really
मेरा ब्रीफ नहीं था, श्रद्धा।
So
But you did a fag job. बहुत
Thanks a
मजा
lot.
आया हमको
Thank you.
डांस करते हुए.
Thank you. Been a
On
pleasure.
set also, like we were singing the song a lot, and really बहुत मजा आया. And I love.
Thank you, Aman.
my
Thank you
pleasure,
so
my
much.
pleasure, bro.
Thank you so
Can I have a selfie with you?
Yeah, sure.
Both of you.
We'll take it
Okay,
downstairs.
okay, okay.
No problem. Sorry.
Pariniti?
Achha, I
Alright,
have one
we'll
last
just
question,
take-
Varun
yeah,
and Parniti.
two questions.
You know, Janemana, was this a teaser to expect something more out of the both of y'all? Maybe Janemana movie?
I think it's too early to talk about that right now. But obviously, I would love to work with her, and I'm guessing she'd like to work with me.
True. I would
We've
love
actually
to work
done
with you
9
too.
ads together.
Yeah, that's true.
The first ad I ever did, not the first, but I think we both did this campaign
similar.
called WeChat together, where we did 9 ads together, and we never got cast in a film. And now again, we've done a song together, a very special one.
Yeah, we're just
And
trying to get cast. I think we're just
hopefully,
trying to.
some director will pick us up, and we will be working together soon.
Soon.
Pariniti?
One last question we'll take.
Pariniti, on your left. Yeah.
Yes, hi.
Great to see you back. Did you miss?
yaar.
Yeah, after 1.5 years.
I was just in the gym. I was nowhere else.
So did you miss seeing yourself on a big screen?
Yeah, of course. I mean, the way I entered the industry, you know, I did like 4 films back to back, and obviously I was, like you said, very used to seeing myself. But you know, the kind of person I am, you know, I'm really not as filmy as all these guys are. You know, I come from a very different discipline, and I've lived my life in a very different way. So I myself needed that. Even that emotional break, you know, a little bit. I know it sounds stupid because I'm so new that I needed a break, but I really did. You know, I needed to just kind of settle down
You felt
mentally.
like burnt out, kind of?
Yeah,
with the
I
amount,
don't
like,
know. Yeah,
work?
strangely I did, because it's such a different world for me. You know, I come from the world of banking and academics, and for me to just be in front of cameras all the time and, you know, have pressure and just answer your questions. I was always happy, but inside I was always like, you know, I needed to just sort some things out. Which I feel now, like now the kind of dedication and now the kind of concentration I have on my work is only because of this break. And of course, I wanted to work on my body. Yeah, I was like 27 years old. I couldn't wear a pair of shorts. So I really wanted to wear better clothes and, you know, not worry about anything. So yeah, this 1-year break was really amazing. Like, it's the best thing that has happened to me. And now, like, when I work, it's just so beautiful. Like,
You
I
can wear
love it.
shorts now.
I can wear shorts. I can wear sleeveless.
I love wearing shorts.
Well, thank you so much, ladies
Thank
and
you.
gentlemen. It's time for a
Thank
quick
you.
photo op over here.
अरे कौन है मनोज यार? नेपाल टाइम। अरे इधर मारो उसको सर। आपके वरुण वरुण परी को आगे बिठाओ ना। हाँ परी को। अच्छा ठीक है मैंने खाली परी थोड़ा ये साइड में आइए। तुम्हारे एक शॉट जान दीजिए।